Hey guys, here is a quick tutorial, just a reminder of how you are submitting your essay and how you can access your peer reviews. Peer reviewing is such an important skill. We practiced it for our first essay. We are going to practice it for our second essay as well. I'm looking for really good feedback. First, let's go to week 14. Let's click on our essay assignment portal. The first thing you need to do is submit your essay, which you guys have already done. You submit it at the very top. It says start assignment, and you do a file upload. So I'm going to upload a sample, a file right now. Let's see. I think I have something saved here. Yes, I do. And as soon as I upload the file, I can leave a comment. I have to click on the I agree button that you're promising this is your original work, that you did not plagiarize, and you submit. Now, why am I showing you this? Most of you have already submitted your essays, but what I wanted to show you guys is up here, you're gonna get that check mark that says submitted, and it will still give you the tab to submit again. So if you notice a mistake in your submission, maybe you submitted the wrong file, maybe it's, you forgot something like your works cited, you can do a new attempt and I will be able to access all of your attempts. Now, what I want to show you guys here is where you're going to see your peer reviews. You're going to come, sometime throughout the day, and underneath where it says assigned peer reviews, there will be two links. It will be two essays that have been assigned to you. You're going to click on one and it'll open up just like this. I just want to show you guys how it will open up. It will look kind of like this, okay? And what I would like you guys to do is click on the view feedback option. When you click on the view feedback, this is where you are going to give your feedback to your classmates. So first thing I would do is make this bigger. Just make it full screen just to make it convenient for you to read the essay. And then as you are reading, I would like you guys to leave comments throughout the essay. Would you like to do a point annotation? Okay, you can. And then you can leave a comment on the side. Would you like to do some highlighting? You can do that as well. You can highlight a part of the essay and leave a comment on the side. You can write directly on the essay itself, whatever you want to say, comments, okay? You can strike out entire phrases and sentences. Again, that doesn't mean your peer necessarily has to take your advice, but it's still very good to give them some feedback, at least, for sentences that you don't think are quite working. If you want to draw on the essay, you can. I don't know. My drawing is not good. If you would like to do an entire section boxing, you can do that as well. You can box an entire section and leave a comment. Why am I showing you guys this? Because Canvas allows you to edit papers, and through peer review, you will be able to leave comments on your peers' essays. As soon as you are done, you can minimize the screen once again, and notice how it automatically saves. And that is how you're going to leave comments on peer review. Now, some people don't feel comfortable doing this, and instead, they will go to this section right here, and they will start listing the paragraphs. I would like very detailed feedback. So you're going to write paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2, paragraph number 3. You guys get my point. And whatever applies to paragraph number 1, I would like very specific, very detailed feedback right here, and so on and so forth. So instead of writing directly on the essay, some people feel more comfortable writing in the comments section and then saving their comment, which I'm not going to do right now. Other people, they feel more comfortable to download the actual essay, which you can. You can download the essay by clicking here. It'll go in your computer. You can open it up and then you can leave comments using whatever other commenting feature you want. And, obviously afterwards you can attach the file right here and you can leave a message for your peer to think about. The last thing you're going to do is fill out the rubric. So I'm going to do show rubric. Now, for me, it's only going to give me the rubric. It's not going to have a place where I can input the scores. But for you, there will be a little box available that will allow you to input the scores for your peer review. So once you are done, you're going to click Save. And as soon as you click this button, your peer review is now completed. And those are the steps to do peer review. But before you guys go, I would like to show you a really, really strong peer review. This is from another class. So let me open it up and just show you guys what these students have done. I have this, another class. This is an English 101 level class, okay? But these peer reviewers have done an amazing job. So they were assigned this person's essay. Notice how much feedback they gave and what good quality feedback they gave. They don't just talk about, grammar. They don't just talk about form. It's not just about the MLA format. It's actually about content, and it's about how to make the essay stronger, and they do this throughout the entire essay. This is what I am looking for. And one other thing, notice how both peers, they filled out the rubric right here. They scored their peer, so that's peer number 1. This is peer number 2. This second person actually wrote comments in the rubric itself, which is so generous and so helpful. And then at the end, they both left an end comment, which is what I'm looking for as well. I would like an end comment that tells your peer what you liked about the essay and what they really need to work on. So this is really what I'm looking for. And I think this is a very positive example to give just on the consistency of the feedback these peers have given their classmate. So I hope that clears up how to do peer review. I know we discussed it already, but if there are any questions, feel free to ask.